Hello, in today's very short tutorial and information video I will show you how you can get your ChatGPT 4 API key. So when you go to OpenAI site, you will go to the products and to ChatGPT 4. So you can read all the things you need about ChatGPT 4 when it's coming out, and of course people are getting confused by it because you cannot of course get it right now. You need to apply for a API waitlist. So you need to log into or sign up your OpenAI account, and you will click here join API waitlist. When you click here, it opens a new tab where you can put your first name, last name, email, company name, organization ID, and put what you want to do with it. Build a new product, integrate into extension products, generate exploration capabilities, or academic research. You then answer their question on specific ideas, and when you do all that, you join the waitlist. Only then, when you join the waitlist, you can get your API key if they approve you, if they choose you to give it to you when it doesn't come out. And I read a lot from it. Approximately people are waiting some 3 weeks, some a month, some wait 5 weeks, 6 weeks to 2 months to get it or to get rejected. So I don't know really how much they're working on it right now and how long it takes to that you can get it, or that they don't approve you. But this is the best way to get into it. People getting confused, they think that it's like ChatGPT 3 and they just can log into it and use it, and it's not like that. You go to the OpenAI site and you need to join the waitlist to get it, and from there it goes on, and you just play the waiting game. So guys, if something changes, we will put the information on our YouTube channel. If you have some other questions or need some other information or tutorials, we have it on the channel. Of course, you can always ask in the comments. We are here for you, and of course we are the same looking for it and waiting that ChatGPT comes in and we get our keys so we can do tutorials. And I hope this helps, this information and tutorial helps. And please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!